Hello friends, I am Shailesh Kaushal, Department of Business Administration, University of Lucknow, Lucknow. Dear participants, I am talking about cluster analysis. Previous lecture I discussed the hierarchical cluster analysis. Now I am performing non-hierarchical cluster analysis. So analyze, then classify, and K means clusters. Okay, analyze, classify, K means clusters. Now the the total number of variables, 6 variable of attitudinal variables. So I am selecting all these 6 variables and transferring variables. And then name of the buyers, it is I am transferring in label cases by. And by default you can see number of clusters. So in the previous, in a hierarchical cluster analysis, we got idea that we should make 3 clusters because we cannot make 4 cluster. If we create 4 cluster, only one respondent come under the 4 cluster. So here we will select 3 clusters. Okay, and then iterate, nothing to do here. Then save, you can save cluster membership and distance from cluster center and continue. Options, ANOVA table, cluster information for each case, and then continue. Okay, and OK. After the cluster number 3, only 3 cluster we need, 3 cluster, and OK. Now you can see the table. There are many table: initial cluster center, iteration history, cluster membership, final cluster, then distance between final cluster center, ANOVA table. Okay. This is the initial cluster. So initial cluster, so I am taking 2 times, I am just changing it, transpose row and columns. Now you can see. Now first of all we will understand what is the meaning of this table, initial cluster centers. So we created 3 cluster, cluster 1, cluster 2 and cluster 3. Now there are 6 attitudinal question. One is I love to buy products in shopping mall. So in the cluster 1, how many people in cluster 1? So we can see from this. In cluster 1 9 people, in cluster 2 10 people, and cluster 3 6 people. Okay, so in cluster 9 people, and who are 9 people? You can identify the Sachi in cluster 1, Sultana in cluster 1, Bablu in cluster 1. So we can name all the people in each cluster. There are 3 clusters. So the 9 people given choices to first question is 2, because this question all the 6 attitudinal questions were in 1 to 7 Likert scale, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So all the respondent 9 respondent in the cluster 1, because there are 9 cluster, and in cluster 2 10 and cluster 3 6 people. So all the 9 respondent given choice to this question, the mean means someone given 1, some 2, some 3, and the overall mean is 2. Okay, same as for question number 3, 2 is 3, 2, 4, 7, 7. Now we can see here what does it mean. So the people of this cluster, means in the cluster, so how many people in this cluster? 9. Okay, 9 people. I can write the name inside the cluster also. Now the 9 people, I love to buy shopping mall, I love to buy product in shopping mall, and rating is poor because the 1 to 7, it means they are not agree to buy the product in shopping mall. And another rating, less rating, I enjoy eating food, so they do not enjoy food in shopping mall because. And another is I compare prices product in shopping mall. So we will give this type of buyers, means those who do not enjoy in shopping mall, these people do not enjoy taking food in shopping mall, and they compare the people. So we can give the name. The name we can give passive buyers or something else. Now second cluster, in second cluster the 10 people, and the rating of this 3, 5, this. So we can take high value of this and high value of this and low value of this. Okay, and then we can combine these people. I buy discount product, I enjoy food, I bargain product when shopping. So we can get sense from all these 3 variables. Same as the question number, the cluster 3, the rating is 7, 7, 7, means 6, 7, 7, high rating. So we can combine all the 3 questions and give the name of these clusters. So this is the purpose of initial cluster sample. And then iteration, next table is iteration history. Now iteration history, there are 3 clusters. The cluster 3 clusters in itration history. The iteration 1, change in cluster center. So every cluster has the center. This is the center. Okay, like this. This is also centroid of this, and this is the centroid of this cluster. So the cluster centroid is 2.009, second is 4.083, and third is 1.993. Now the cluster 2, for example, this is my first cluster, second cluster, and third cluster. In cluster 2, Dharmendra come in cluster 2, and the distance is 1.2. The location of Dharmendra score may be here, so the distance is 1.507, and another is Pratik may be far away from the Dharmendra, then the distance is 3.077. So we can take the people in each cluster. So in the cluster 1, who are Sachi in cluster 1, Sultana in cluster 1, and Bablu in cluster 1, Babita in cluster 1, the Pinky in cluster 1, and Priyanka in cluster 1, and Gayatri in cluster 1, Rohit in cluster 1. So we can put all the people in this cluster, and we can give the name of these people. Okay. This is final cluster. So we can interpret our result on the basis of this final cluster. So we can give the name of the clusters, like in the first cluster you can see here, the first cluster rating is less, here less, and here high. So in all the 3 questions, buy only daily need products, they don't enjoy taking food, they don't enjoy buying product in shopping mall. So we can give this cluster name is passive buyer. And the second cluster, they love to food, they they love to buy product in shopping mall, high value, enjoy food there, and but only daily need product. They don't buy the daily need product. So we can combine three questions and we can say the people of this cluster I enjoy loving people. Okay, they enjoy. And the third is the high value of this question, I buy discounted product. These people buy a discounted product in shopping mall and they bargain the product in shopping mall and they compare prices. So we can give the name of this cluster. The cluster name is economical buyer. So you can give a name according to your opinion. It's a researcher choice to give the name of each cluster. The final distance, the cluster 1 to there are three clusters. So cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, 1, 2, 3. So the cluster 1, the distance is from 2 is 6.448 and the distance is 5.176, and 2 to 3 the distance is 5. It's a symmetric matrix, 5.633. Now what is the purpose of this table? The table number, the ANOVA. So ANOVA table, what does it mean? There are 6 questions in the table. One is I love to buy product in shopping mall, I buy discounted product, I bargain the product, buy daily need product, and compare prices in product. So all the questions we have taken 6 questions, attitudinal 6 questions in our study, and all the questions are significant because P value less than 0.05. It's less than 0.05, it is significant, it is significant, it is significant, it is significant. If any question the P value greater than 0.05, then we delete that particular question. But here we have taken 6 questions and all these 6 questions significantly different. Now the number of cases in each cluster, the first cluster 9 people, second cluster 10 people, and cluster 3 6 people. So how to present our result? So we can see the another slide. So this is my slide. So now the people in the we know the 9 buyers in cluster 1. So they don't buy product in shopping mall, means I love to buy product in shopping mall, low value. I enjoy eating food at shopping mall, low value. I buy only daily need product, high value. So we combine all the 3 questions and give the name, and the 9 people we can say they are passive shopper. And the another 3 people, another 10 buyers, I love to buy product in shopping mall, high value. I enjoy eating food, high value. I buy only daily need product, low value. When we combine, we can give the name the enjoy loving shopper. And some people they buy discounted product because they want to visit shopping mall only for buying the discounted product, and they bargain product there, they compare prices. So we can say these 6 people are the economical shoppers. And who are? Now you can see the red means economical, Roja, Sarita, Shyam, Amit, Tanvi and Mahesh. These 6 people are the economical shoppers. And enjoy loving, black. Enjoy loving means Dharmender enjoy, Prateek, Rajia, Sukhvinder, Rahim, Jhumpa, Raghav, Yash, Divya, Anjali. They enjoy loving buyers because their similar rating means 5, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6. But it is different from the other. The 5 and Roja, I am comparing with Roja Dharmender rating, 5, 3, 2, 6. completely opposite. 6 3 2 4 2 1 4 3 4 5. Okay, so this is about the cluster analysis, and then we can present our report, our result like this. Thank you very much.